fuck with Eve. I mean, first in the day that they found them trees with apples all on it. You niggas don't own it. Fuck my opponent. It's no competition. You fat off dessert. I'm still in the kitchen. Suckers get murked with all that ambition. You small potatoes. Nigga, I'm the greatest. Genghis Khan with Chuck Taylor's on. The West Coast Don. Bitch, I'm James Bond. Jump out the plane, no parachute on. Land on my feet. Nigga, trick or treat. Smell my cologne. Shots to the dome. If I act like this, you'll tell me I'm wrong. Should I crack you like crack? Or just sing a song? Lord, help these niggas understand I'm grown.
Lord, please don't let me act a fool. Please don't let me use the tool. Please don't let me get distracted. Please don't let me make it happen. Please, oh God, keep my integrity. Please don't let me commit a felony. Please forgive thy enemy. Please forgive me, cause you know I need therapy. And you know I need counseling. So many haters now, I ain't stop counting. I ain't stop checking the YouTubes and comments. The bitch niggas making remarks to start conflicts. Conflicted in their life, cause they want a piece of ski and they want to step in my light. If they try to make a move, then they know the weapon is right. By my side, when I ride, I'm taking your breath of life. Your spirit is now a kite. Every lyric is the wind, no bringing you back to life. I can kill you with the pen, the music is like a